So King Me is a photo series that I created in 2016, and I photograph black males wearing crowns. The message is what you see is what you become. There were a lot of suggestions when I started the photo series. It's like, oh, you should start a book, you should sell t-shirts, but that really wasn't my direction. And while I appreciate those suggestions, I wanted to do something that everybody could be involved in, and everybody drinks water. So I wanted to branch out and do King Me water. So I have been thinking about getting everything for King Me protected. It always has been important to me.
So Nina came to us knowing that she wanted to protect her intellectual property in some way, and she had found out on the internet that we had trademark and patent assistance here. We are part of the Patent and Trademark Resource Center network. So she came to ask questions about how she would take the next steps.
I was determined, and I knew that this was something that I needed to get done.
She learned about the trademark office and learned about the online tools that they have there to assist her, mostly videos that explain every single step of how to go about starting the trademark application process. And she taught herself and came back for just to have a few questions answered, and was pretty swift and ready to go on her own.
The library has always been one of my places. So, and I'm always asking questions, and I don't know everything that the library has to offer, but I know that it's a place of resource. So I wasn't surprised. I was relieved. I was so relieved, like, oh, yes, because like I said, it wasn't in the budget for a trademark lawyer, and I knew that it was something that I could get done.
Nina had already created a very strong trademark on her own, and so she really had the hardest part of that process down and just needed help with kind of the nuts and bolts of how to make that application go through. And I was just able to answer the few questions that she had about really kind of bookkeeping type stuff to get her going on her journey and help her get that trademark issued.
If you go to the right people, they know things that you don't know. And lo and behold, when I went to the downtown library, the main library, I met Miss Linda, and she really walked me through that trademark process.
We're offering a service for free that you really can't get anywhere else without paying. So it was great of her to come back and say, look what I did, and show it to me in the database. It was awesome.